The general overview since we arrived here in June last year, I can say we made good progress, and we are very proud of our officers who've gone out of their way to make sure that the Asian population enjoy the deserving peace. We've gone through, difficult time, good times, but I can say that so far, whatever we've been able to achieve within this 1 year is something commendable. Asians expect a lot of things from us, and one thing that we've ensured is unblocking those roads that were blocked by the gangs, making sure that we revitalize some of the key government installations that are critical in their daily lives, and also giving the deserving support for the national police, the Asian National Police that we are working hand in hand with. Where we are standing right here is what is equivalent to Vigilant Hour, the headquarters of the Director General of Asian National Police, that the gangs are taken. And I want to shock you, because when we came here, the Asians were very skeptical. They were not sure that we were going to stay here even for 1 minute. But fortunately, we were able to hold the ground, repel the gangs that had taken control of this place. And as we stand here, a lot of renovation is taking place.